Hello friends, is your car losing power, struggling to start, or consuming more fuel than usual? If your obd2 scanner is showing code P0258, this means there's an issue with the injection pump fuel metering control B high, cam/rotor/injector. If ignored, this can cause engine misfires, poor fuel efficiency, and even complete fuel system failure. But don't worry, in this video, we'll explain what P0258 means, its symptoms, sensor locations, and how to fix it. Let's get started. P0258 indicates that the fuel metering control B circuit is operating at a higher voltage than expected. This means the fuel injection system is delivering too much fuel, which can lead to rough engine performance and excessive emissions. When this happens, you may experience hard starting or no start condition, loss of power while driving, excessive black smoke from the exhaust, and rough idling and stalling. Ignoring this issue for too long can damage the fuel injectors and other engine components. So if you're seeing the check engine light on, experiencing poor acceleration and hesitation, or noticing excess fuel consumption, you might be dealing with this issue. Also, keep an eye out for unstable RPM at idle and a strong fuel smell from the exhaust. If you notice any of these symptoms, the next step is to locate the affected components. Fuel injection pump. Typically located at the front of the engine near the timing cover, it controls fuel delivery. Fuel metering control valve, also known as the B-side solenoid, mounted on the fuel injection pump, it regulates the amount of fuel being injected. Fuel rail pressure sensor. Found on the fuel rail, it ensures proper fuel pressure regulation. Crankshaft position sensor, or CKP, located near the transmission bell housing or engine block, it helps in fuel injection timing. Camshaft position sensor, or CMP, usually found on the cylinder head, it assists in fuel metering and timing. Malfunctioning fuel injection pump. If the pump is faulty, it may oversupply fuel to the engine. Defective fuel metering control valve or B-side solenoid. A stuck or damaged solenoid can cause high fuel pressure issues. Short circuit or damaged wiring. A short in the circuit can cause the ECU to misinterpret fuel metering. Clogged or leaking fuel injectors. If injectors are leaking, they may release too much fuel into the engine. Faulty fuel rail pressure sensor. If this sensor sends incorrect signals, the fuel metering system may malfunction. Step 1. Check the fuel injection pump for any leaks or malfunctions. Replace it if needed. Step 2. Inspect and test the fuel metering control valve, also known as the B-side solenoid, for proper function. Step 3. Use a multimeter to test the fuel rail pressure sensor and replace it if it's faulty. Step 4. Check the wiring harness and electrical connectors for corrosion or loose connections. Repair or replace if necessary. Step 5. Scan and test the crankshaft and camshaft position sensors to ensure they're working properly. Step 6. Clear the trouble code using an obd2 scanner and take the car for a test drive to see if the issue is resolved. P0258 is a serious issue that can cause fuel overdelivery, rough idling, and excessive emissions. Fixing it early will restore your car's performance and fuel efficiency.